What's going on, everybody? It's Ross Ramsey here with RP Elite Motors and Marine. I want to do a walkthrough of this beautiful 2023 F350 Limited. We just had New Year Truck Fest, so the truck is a little dirty, but I wanted to do this walkthrough. I drove the truck to the show, back to the shop, and I told Kenzie, I said, we got to do a walkthrough. This truck is completely dialed in. It drives amazing, so let's see it. Starting off in the inner fender wells right here, this is a 6-inch Wicked kit, aftermarket coil spring with the Flying Diesel Wicked billet logos. You'll see the Fox 2.0 shocks. We'll slide over here to the wheels. These are beautiful 2412 JTX, all polished finish, spike lugs wrapped in a 37-inch Fury tire. This truck drives amazing with being 12 wides. You can see right here the factory OEM limited side badges. And then let's go to the interior. Again, standard on all limited model are the power running boards with the polished limited door overlays right here, the beautiful blue jean material right here with the diamond stitching, what these limiteds are known for. And of course, don't forget the beautiful cream suede headliner with the full factory moonroof, your factory overhead outrigger switches up top, and your beautiful 12-inch factory screen. And then of course up top on the center console is the limited logo polish with the VIN number and the number of the limited edition this truck was from the factory. We'll come back here. Beautiful blue jean, Admiral Blue right here in the inner door. The polished finish, again, Admiral Blue seats with that beautiful cream light slate diamond stitch right here. You can see the moonroof. You can see that beautiful cream suede headliner. Can't get enough of these limiteds. And they don't make the limited anymore in the 2025 model. So these are highly sought after. Again, this is a long bed, 2412s in the back, Furies, beautiful polished finish, limited tailgate emblem. This truck is fully bed lined. Your OEM factory steps to get in on both sides. And then I'll slide up front. You can check out this Wicked steering stabilizer kit. It does have Fox 2.0s for the steering stabilizer with the billet Wicked logo in the middle. And I'll be honest, guys, I did this walkthrough because we just had our New Year Truck Fest show. I got to drive this truck to the show. I drove it back and I told Kenzie, I said, we got to do a walkthrough of this. This truck is completely dialed in. Can't stress enough on the 12 wides. These trucks drive amazing. This truck is fully dialed. So that will do it with this walkthrough of this beautiful 2023 F350 Limited. We're asking $116,995. This truck is on our website. It has a full description, more pictures. Now you can watch this walkthrough video. Give us a like and follow on all of our social media platforms. We will put this on YouTube. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.